You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. You can do this by archiving the posts. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Find the photo you want to hide. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of that specific post. From the menu that appears, select Archive. The post will immediately be removed from your public profile and moved to a private archive. You can access your archived posts anytime by going to your profile, tapping the three-line menu icon, and selecting Archive. Here you will see all your archived posts and stories. To restore a photo to your profile later, go into your archive. Find the post, tap the three-dot menu on it again, and select Show on Profile. The photo will reappear in its original spot on your grid. This is a perfect way to clean up your profile temporarily for a new look or to hide older photos without permanently losing the likes and comments. Remember, only you can see your archived content. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.